You need to hear this if you're a DIY enthusiast. We're building a mini tractor straw blower today, and it's going to be epic. You'll need some basic materials, plastic pipes, a small electric motor, fan blades made from PVC or metal, a toy tractor, a battery pack, and some wiring. First, cut the PVC or metal sheet into fan blades and attach them to the motor's shaft. These angled blades will create the necessary airflow. Next, use plastic pipes to form a cylinder around the fan, making sure one end is open for air intake and the other has an output nozzle. Secure this blower housing to your tractor. Connect the motor to the battery pack and a switch. Now, it's test time. Place some straw in front, switch it on, and watch the airflow push the straw away as your tractor moves forward. This project is not only fun, but also a great way to learn about airflow, mechanics, and energy conversion. Happy building, DIY enthusiasts!